Hello guys, good morning, good morning. Today is May 16 and look at the weather. It is partly sunny and cloudy, but it's windy. Oh, it's windy guys. So let's check my garden. My goodness, look at this one. Oh, because it's windy, look at this. Look at the chair, the garden chair, and my plant box. Look what happened to this, and what happened to my watering can. So I'm gonna fix it. What happened to you? My cup. Checking on my plants. Oh, look what happened. Oh, there are some insects fest here. I don't know what is that insect. What is that insect? Oh, my poor senior, what happened to you? But this one, they cannot bite this because it's so beautiful. Look at that, ranunculus. Hi. Oh, I wonder, maybe it's yellow. Very nice. This one is also white. And this one is yellow, I think. So beautiful. These are my Roma tomatoes. Look, I cannot repot them for now because I don't have space. Oh my God. As much as I want you to repot, I cannot do it right now. Oh, because of too much wind. Look at the door. The door in the side of the house. Nabuksan ang door sa sobrang lakas ng hangin. Oh no, I cannot close it. How can I close it? I need to push it hard. This door on the side of the house is going there, going in front of the yard. So here. So it's so windy. Sobrang hangin. Ay nako. I have to push it hard. Oh, see? I did it. Grabe sa sobrang lakas ng hangin. O, nakaya niyang itulak yung pinto. Oh, do you hear the sound of the wind? Talaga dito sa area namin malakas ang hangin. Kaya yung mga tanim ko talagang walang nagiging matino. Kaya dito sa area namin ay yung mga flowering plants namin ay nagkakalagas-lagas ang petals. Bisitahin ko muna tong aking raised bed na hindi ko na nalagyan ng lupa. Oh, look at the potatoes. Nagtubuan na yung mga potatoes. Sabi niya, ayaw niyo akong alagaan ayaw niyo akong itanim ha. Sige, tinapon niyo na lang ako dito. Tutubo na lang ako mag-isa. Kaya naman tumubo. Ay naku, Diyos ko dahil. Mahilig akong magtanim, pero walang enough space eh. So, dahil malakas ang hangin at natutuyo yung mga soil at natutuyo yung mga leaves, so I need to water the plant. Let's go! Let's water the plant! Go, go, go! good afternoon. Ako'y tuwan-tuwa dito sa Ranunculus dahil sa I'm so happy. Siyempre dahil napatubo ko siya at napabulaklak ko siya. So ayan, ang dami na niyang bulaklak ngayon. It is so blooming. Ayan, 4 na white dun sa isang bulb. Tapos, yung pangalawang bulb ay kulay dilaw. Ayan, nakikita na dilaw talaga siya. So, I'm sure na dilaw siya. At ito naman yung isa ay, bali 3 nga yung nabuhay, pero parang hindi maganda ang, parang hindi siya healthy. Parang yung kulay niya hindi puting-puti. Parang mix with yellowish or something. So, that is Ranunculus. Ranunculus. Okay. March 17, 2024. So, gusto ko ring i-flex tong mga kamatis. Roma tomato. Ito naman yung sitaw, lumalaki na pero medyo kinagat-kagat ng insekto yung ibang dahon. So, hopefully mabubuhay naman siya. Ito yung potatoes. Ayan, nabuhay. Tinapong ko dyan. Sabi ko, pampadagdag ng lupa dyan sa aking raised bed. Pero, ay akala ko, I consider those as kitchen scrap. Pero, tumubo sila. Ayan.